Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, FR Auto Moto, your go-to place for in-depth motorcycle reviews, speed, and high-performance machines. Today, we've got something special for those who love cruisers, the Honda Rebel 500. Cruisers have always been about freedom, style, and effortless riding. But not every cruiser is beginner-friendly. Some are too heavy, some too expensive, and others just don't offer that perfect blend of performance and comfort. Enter the Honda Rebel 500, a bike designed to break the mold and redefine what an entry-level cruiser should be. But does it live up to the hype? Is it just a stylish beginner's bike, or is it a machine capable of growing with you as a rider? Today, we'll take a deep dive into everything this bike has to offer, from its aggressive styling to its smooth power delivery, handling, comfort, and overall value. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest motorcycle reviews and high-performance machines from FR Auto Moto. Musical note: music builds, then fades out. This keeps your audience engaged while encouraging them to support your channel. Let me know if you need any more refinements.